Hello everyone, welcome back to Changfied YouTube channel, your trusted source for latest update across South Sudan and beyond. Before we proceed with this story, please, I would like you to tap the channel by subscribing and turn on the notification bell. Today report, we have several stories that are shaking headlines, from tragic family incident in Torit to police arrest in Trish, to a major political move by veteran leader Nhial and update from Dr. Machar, ongoing court case plus report of deadly airstrike in Western Equatoria. Stay with us till the end and don't forget to subscribe to Changfied for more news you can trust. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so whenever we upload a new video, you can be notified. Let's start with our first top story. Woman beat husband to death in Torit. This is our first story. It comes from Torit County in Eastern Equatoria State, where authorities say a woman has beaten her husband to death in a shocking case of domestic violence. According to report from local radio station Singaita FM, they said incident happened on Tuesday in Odikolong residential areas. The mayor of Torit municipality, Oyet Baptiste, told reporter that the couple had been having serious family problem. He said the woman allegedly used the wooden handle of a hoe to hit her husband during an argument, killing him instantly. Mayor Baptiste said this must be domestic violence. The two had a misunderstanding at home, and after a conflict, she struck her husband, who died immediately. He did not reveal the name of the couple, but confirmed that the woman has been arrested and is being held at Torit Central Prison while investigation continues. The mayor called on families in the community to handle a disagreement peacefully and avoid violence. He said people should talk and not fight. When we sit down and discuss calmly, we can solve our problem. Violence only destroys life and families. Baptiste added that this is the first case of such nature in Torit town, and he hopes it will also be the last. Many residents have expressed shock and sadness, saying the incident shows how dangerous domestic conflict can become if not handled carefully. If you are someone you know is facing violence at home, please report it to local authorities before it turns tragic. In fact, fighting is dangerous. People should not fight, but they can have dialogue. They can talk about it and then leave it like that. Our second top story is about Twitch police arrest girl and Somali boyfriend over abortion. This is a very serious case, and you need to pay attention because this can save life. Now to Warab State, where police in Twitch County have arrested a 17-year-old school girl and her Somali boyfriend over a shocking abortion case. Police say the girl, who was in primary 8, allegedly aborted an 8-month-old baby after her boyfriend gave her unknown drug. The baby body was later found and dumped inside a pit latrine in Woonrock town. Lieutenant Colonel Deng, the inspector of police in Woonrock, identified the man as Bram Abdin Ahmed, a 36-year-old Somali national. According to police report, Ahmed gave the girl the drug 3 days earlier, telling her it would end the pregnancy. Colonel Atem said on Sunday, the man gave the drug to the girl. That same day, she aborted the baby and threw it inside the latrine. 2 days later, the house owner smelled something bad and found the baby body. The man who discovered it, Akwewut Ajong Mabosh, described the incident as horrific. He said he found the smell too strong to ignore, looked inside with a flashlight, and was shocked to see the body of a baby. Both suspects are now being held in custody while investigation continues. Police say this is the third abortion-related case reported in Twitch County this year. Authorities are urging young people to avoid illegal abortion and instead seek help from elder professional or family members when facing pregnancy challenges. Lieutenant Colonel Atem said this act is not only illegal but inhuman. We are calling on young girls to protect themselves and make wise decisions about relationship. Before we proceed, please help the channel by subscribing and turn on the notification bell so whenever we upload a new video, you can be notified. Let's move on to our next top story. This is our third story. Veteran politician Nhial Deng quit SPLM and joined opposition. In major political news, veteran South Sudanese politician Nhial Deng has announced is leaving the SPLM party, accusing its leadership of corruption and failed governance. Nhial, who has long been one of the top figures in the ruling Sudan People Liberation Movement, SPLM said he is creating a new political platform called the South Sudan Salvation Movement. Speaking through a 18-page public statement, Nhial said his goal is not to destroy SPLM but to reform it from outside. He said the South Sudan Salvation Front, or South Sudan People Liberation Army, South Sudan Salvation Movement, Nhial said his goal is not to destroy SPLM but to reform it from outside. He said the South Sudan Salvation Movement is not an end in itself. It is a tool for change, a way to bring the SPLM back to its founding value. Nhial accused President Salva Kiir government of ignoring democracy, delaying elections, and allowing corruption to ruin the country's future. He also says South Sudan is on the brink of collapse because of poor leadership and political selfishness. Nhial planned to work with Pagana Mum United People Alliance, UPA, an opposition group that has been in peace talk with the government under Kenya Tumani initiative. Analysts say this is one of the biggest political split since South Sudan gained independence in 2011. Nhial is not new to politics. He is the son of William Deng, Nhial, one of the South Sudan early freedom fighter who was assassinated in 1968. Born in 1952, Nhial studied law at the University of Khartoum, graduating in 1980 and later continued his studies in Scotland. He has held many government positions, including Minister of Foreign Affairs, Minister of Defense, and Minister of Presidential Affairs. Nhial was also a key peace negotiator in talks that led to both comprehensive peace agreement and the revitalized peace agreement. However, he said the current SPLM has lost direction and betrayed the dream of its founders. He said the SPLM today is comatose. It is no longer stand for unity or progress. The people are suffering while the leader fight for people. Nhial is calling for a new national movement that will push for a permanent constitution and free election before 2026. His announcement has created tension inside the SPLM, as many wonder who will follow him next. For now, the government has not officially responded, but political observers say this could mark the beginning of a new political chapter in South Sudan. Our fourth top story is about Machar court case, battle over evidence. In Juba, the special court handling the case of Dr. Machar, the suspended first vice president, has extended its mandate to continue the trial. Dr. Machar and 7 others are facing serious charges, including treason, terrorism, and mass murder linked to the March 2025 attack in Nasser County that killed General David Majudak and several soldiers, including civilians. The defense lawyer had argued that the court's one-month term had expired on October 8, making it illegal to continue. But Judge James Alala Deng dismissed the argument and ruled that the court will continue until the trial ends. During Wednesday's session, the court focused on whether evidence, especially mobile phone and laptop, was taken lawfully from the accused. Machar lawyer Dr. Gary Raimondo Lege said the devices were seized without a warrant, violating the constitution and criminal law. The defense asked the court to reject them as evidence. However, the prosecutor insisted that the items were properly registered and contain important information linking the accused. The judge later accepted 13 out of 16 exhibits, including Machar laptop and phone from the others. Among the accused are Dr. Machar, age 73, Port Kang Shulf, age 40, Mampal Dor, age 37, Gadwade Lampoch, age 66, Lieutenant General Gabriel Duob Lam, 53, Camilo Gan Michael, age 47, Mading Yakrik, age 45, Dominic Gadgokrik, 27. The trial will continue 3 days a week, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. The judges warned both sides against unnecessary delay and say the hearing will move day by day until all evidence is complete. The next court session is scheduled for Friday, October 17. This trial continued to attract attention both nationally and internationally, as Machar remained one of South Sudan's most influential political figures. Our fifth top story is about airstrike in Nagaro County that killed one, injuries another. And finally, to Western Equatorial State, where a reported airstrike in Nagaro County killed one person and wounded another early Wednesday morning. Witness told reported that plane dropped bomb during a funeral gathering around 5 a.m., hitting civilian areas. One woman, Amelia Jendo, say her neighbor was killed and her husband seriously injured. She said, "We were attending a funeral when a plane came circling and dropped bomb. People ran in fear. I don't even know where my children went. The attack destroyed our houses and caused panic among civilians, forcing many to flee into nearby bush." Jendo accused the South Sudan People Defense Force, SSPDF, of carrying out the strike, but local officials said the plan was unidentified. A county official confirmed the airstrike, but said there were no confirmed casualties yet. The attack has been condemned by civil society leader Edmund Yakani, who called on both SSPDF and SPLM force to stop violence and return to dialogue. He said, "We are calling on both sides to avoid fighting and to respect the peace agreement." This latest attack followed another airstrike in Jew River County just a day earlier, raising concern the violence in Western Equatoria could be worsening again. Many residents have lost home, livestock, and access to clinic after recent clashes. Authorities say they are investigating the cause and the identity of the aircraft involved. Joe Banlingwa seme bana racha katin kon lat korodian re wicha ka South Sudan. Te kon kala resho ko die te kon kaling kandial ka do bana to ken kaje. Guru no jin bi channel bi just subscribe ko mite ko mishi barech da shamala shibigaji long guru jeno there and there subscribe ko the notification bell there je twine ko mite mishala rai gwat me da shamala shibigaye. Guru no bi subscribe ko Changfied YouTube channel ka lere kon kaling gwase me ke very important long ko dong de kana de ken ka tek de ken ka ken Kenyam bana racha kaler michalat gwasme goro jeno brode palping kaling dien ko is very important. They can take round they can ka gwada tinyam. Leran yam balin gwasme shalad no take a shake michi shawda nak ray dwara shal ke torit ray ka South Sudan. Name jen story menyam ke jo balin kenyam. Doran shal ke torit county wenyam nyamni ke Eastern Equatorial State. Shine intakalwang ki ne rekonti la jukume chikala do nene. Ci shek ci chawde ci jepiam ki ci jedwach mi ci jedwaja ci chawde ci liwni ngwatamo no me waje ke long amishal ke domestic violence la kon mu tok re ching gwadan na chingten ci ala domestic violence ki re mu tok ne re ching dan la ji chingten content de chingan wana mone according to report mi chalat radio station Sigaita FM ka chala online wa koromo tuoga ke chankaro ala Tuesday ko ding kolong residential jen gwada dan tuogre ga metin ka jomi chalat gwase me mayor of Torit municipality o yet baptist che report rije ga jogo nona ken na jichin rewtiti ran ken showde ke shek ken showde wa ken tiken ke riktung wana to kamdien wa ken gagni siang no ka ke family jenen wana mo chu check chu rode chu moch no ka jad mi chari aleka ka chu chawde chu yot no gwada dana wuken kamur ralken ko ngai ko don kwet ken ki ralken wana mo chu chawde yot ke jat ni gwada mo ne chu chawde chu liu ni ka jen yada mo karwada kan chawde kan rode nyoko mi jeje rode shu show de shu yere shu jen me yer baptiste jo mo jalat jen me a domestic violence kiring mu to kam do dangro to guru de kapchung chala do ken ko wadi o je tiken ke tere kam niken ran ken shigda dor ran tiketin jen mi yot shik yode show de ke jamo do jen changwa la ramadan en chanek ano ki shig dan nagran kan shure kanalat no re dwar shal ke turit wajen cha chig mo cha de chu chai shu yen no cha ji nyare ti jen antama jare ti jen re wichin binimi gwaza me china kulu shudu no ne na ne re kon la kwar o cha gwano de ne tin kontinti la jichen de kan nyen bu wono go bu garde na ko ngai kone korne syang ma la no na lia kor la no lia mi cha kan lia no bo bod be jeno ja la lar no kor mi shi kor shi tok ngai da no telm do dien mo gorin wana mo mi chi nyen yana whether nyen yen shegdu wa yen shawdu ke jin nyen ba yen jidwaru wala she mori wala anybody mi dong sha kor sha je to ngwa bi ngaje no solution de alia telm do dien let mi shi ko dong che lo jing ne lo shi dong je ten wana mo ke kana no bi reg mo ba to minyunu en kor nenim tilaji sing chagwana syang na mo de lari ek mdong de ne dialde kana ngach ko ngai kon do jeke long an wo biji sing bi kenyi wut kana shek telm do dien mala solution jan liya to tono ko lalar kan no chang sha nyi telme be me be watch ano no ala jen shala domestic violence non eti ji ching tinyen chi me shek ta me chore yu nak so na mende la listen ko de ne dialde na ro dien ngejen wo kor jaga ni siang mi ben ka family ki en ramu mo nyen yanona solution de mala ya be jan liya kare ngai kone liya no shira den chi ran chi nyoko ne ni nyok na me dar go ko ye jaw je salwa de den ban nyok me dong de kon lingwa se me ka dar ko ne dial kon batil ka right ne ko dong de la listen kaka de yen non ka nan ka family tin ko kenan jaw ban lingwa se me rega me to ka dar shal ke twitch shala no shi twitch police ke ne kon la jukum re wucin binami wa ci ga nyal ci kana yen kan gore mi wut Somalia re wuc ka warap yen gwadan cha ka yenten do bdana wa yan ka ke wa nyal cha gatte de kamrar gadamo te ka pes dang badak no ka tush kanti cha dol miteke rundangwel baro sorry nyamite rundangwel baro cha je yen kan boyfriend ke kan dol milamada no she police kan la do ne na nyalte ka primary 8 no wajen che gadmite ka pes dang badak che kamrar no ka gwan mi mo mishi boyfriend ke gore che je moch no ke mo ka well ala well dan la gala kam karar ka je wa mishi nyama che gache je kamrar ne dore shal ke wuna rock no dore jani re wishin binemi wa shi nyal che gache je yak ka mangai kone gwawrar ka miche yagre polo wa che churitin ngwasmo ka kore chi lieutenant colonel atem Deng the inspector police ka wun rock jene sha ka yodeka ngo te ka milarek no sha ga jogo no te gar mi sha yagre pol ka gada montama jene chine je ko so wajen cheng manre pol then after that chu ji sheng tin content wan mo shu kan manan to re pol kan shumer sha ga chaw ne lo gatte ne pet badda ko charam di and dol Somalia dan ruet nyamte gun wel baro sigane de ditba but malarek dunko bran bagad bejo kamrar dol Somalia kana mo take runde jandang jok de bakel la runde apkade no according to police report tikala do ne shinyame chaga chaja kamrar ko chaja mo ka wel dol shal kame ki wude shal kame chale Braham Abdi Hamet jaram dan dong luen nyal ki kam nyal wel ka chu nyal chu gan mete karunti gan mete ka padang badak no shoye chu kamrar no mo to ka Sunday wa sha nyam chaja mo ka wel no in the same day ka chu gar mo chu kamrar ka chu yak kala train ka jodan chalat Ramadan jek gat wa ewun mishale kwe wut ajong magoch wa nen jen ci do jego ne che jen ya do che ngwajri po chu kulu mer ka patari ngwana mo chu gat chu pon shunen right now men quality gwas me man dia lien ki man de na de ken lien ka jen la ramane odi men yam got a very important nyok gare tiene especially gwar nyet gor jeno de nas de kan care lon ka ke kam gada dar jega la to ko wodi mi shet talk dong ni point de ramadan nyal ba dong de der je jek special gamete ne ko rundang badak so beje long sima gwa beje dong mo ne tik dong kan ta dana talk no mo je ken ken kon ngi special mi kan ne ngot ka kwa chicken mandana le ro chicken ngi ban mo kan ne shidit terek de kan ngi special guarantee ko run jendang de du bakkel antama chaka yen kan nang raw ko nyam terunol baro ko chalan yen wo ko chicken chale chicken chicken na later den ban within gwasame veteran politician Nhial Deng Nhial chala do jen chirmi channeling jen charo do watch ke che de fa ke che tiai ko kuma SPLM charo do chak bondo dien bono che chak ko bon medodien Michal ka South Sudan Salvation Movement jen ramkel ka Sudan People Liberation Movement no wen barantama sela do charo do watch ka kuiko jene shi kuma SPLM chete ka corruption no ka che fail ka do badan da na dara ka bot ka jehre wi ka South Sudan che jo mo che jalat Nhial Deng Nhial jen she waraga medi che jagor gwada danen koro declare no jen che jen ka kume Sudan People Liberation Movement pin kirma yadit jen charo de chu chak bondo dien Michal ka South Sudan Salvation Movement jen chawarga gor metene ka peneti chokwal badak Nhial Deng Nhial ramin ngai kelung jene shana shako ba kuma SPLM baje yar no jene chaka je ko ba reform baje latki kuma jidid baje chak ko jene tama shi kuma SPLM and men the pin kim yadit cha dop cha jabai Jani South Sudan Salvation Movement, no, she is not an end in itself. Jani she jan o beti dial baka gakrar. Jani just a tool jan kia duomim no be a SPLM beja kula watch do badana shabai. Ko be value e gorke kum South Sudan no wal beja kula nyotke no yen sha do cha jabai. Ajan do badana shegwi keja. Ajan shaka South Sudan Salvation Movement ka jamone o be SPLM pin kirm yadit bekari manyi no sha do cha jabai ka do jene. Nhial Deng Nhial jen she president Salva Kiir government cha jagwan and she can democracy she can ignore ki she can look nyok can she can election she can delay ki she can jakajen nyok bani she kirm yadi cha kan corruption kan je gorno beje yar beje watch de kon lar no ko en corruption jen yar South Sudan o jen yar future dung South Sudan ne jen corruption jen the main de lar gwanter no katin diala kono latke chala do de teacher to de ga kapchong do no chikirim yadi cha kan che gorno bekalat no jenen tam South Sudan te ko be jek ko michari dial te shaka gwich kuma man raike kim yadit tel go South Sudan boten chala do ne na South Sudan man be yar o jen wate ke poor leadership kan political selfishness la ram mo la nong rode she gorno bene dial bekapar kano ramu kirwech dar we dar jar wajide jene dan en sha South Sudan cha jakobe jiak Nhial Deng Nhial ke jen parliament cha chakman chal ke South Sudan Salvation Movement chala do binelet kel kone propaganda mum ke parliament chal ke United People Alliance UPA jene binelet kel ke tako ba mal ba jene chireme cha tok no wal ka Kenya eno te ke dol mi chal ke man peace initiative ko ba bonte cha gagrar lahu loud group ba kanungre mal ka kel ke kirim yadi che part den tam che nyong mi choda je ka jan part mi chal ke UPA yone ngai ko na shala do ne ne contra analysis kene kon la twan la ka ngai ku South Sudan long kala kan jori la kan atop ka ta dan South Sudan ke je kan ne me jen shengen yam ko bi rami mo metie ke kirm yadit baro do watch ke baro da dek ke kir atu ko ne ka ron kin dang ro ide wel ken me ko independent kwa je no kana man to Nhial Deng Nhial jen shirami la jidit ka politik jen gadudu Michel William Deng Nhial ram kel Michel long ka South Sudan wa freedom fighter mishana karon kit kel kurban wan udjen bakalul badak no Nhial Deng Nhial dabje ke 1952 jen wacha gwarki University of Khartoum kacha graduate ke 1980 ka jom chalat wajen she wuba ko belaw thong ne ka dorashal ke Scotland sorry ke 1952 che gwar kan wat ka bong ngoni no ke 1980 wa chu no mu we gar ke Scotland jen gwa dan we toktin jen cha kona quer metika position to ngare wika South Sudan jen cha kona ramila Minister of Foreign Affairs cha kwany bolo Minister of Defense anyok ba cha la kwanya la Minister of Presidential Affairs so digina nenen go jen ram di chi ram tot so jen ma DNA dial ka je men kum kirm yadi DNA ka je jen mlar ka jen the biggest split since 2011 me ko South Sudan ko independent ko je ko Nhial Deng ram ngai ke ne tingwan eno shika gai ke chika ngia chagu je no na me be SPLM be je weekend ke be jako be te pinyalo jena SPLM che direction che jalo ske chabat ka do bdan na nyam ke je nona kene SPLM che dream dung South Sudanese jeni che je betrayed ne te konte che let ke ko de malder de tere wi ka South Sudan ke de South Sudan de rode chung ala win magwa kene shiken tai nen diale konde che real shike John Granda Mabir and nyon baini all the people didn't content chile long ko de South Sudan there te kamal jene sha ka betray kan ele to ko sha vision atam cha nyo ko me kwaje shift to something else lo shi dine corruption jene ngum ko kon le ko le ter ke jeme gor kon South Sudan mi shi o bana rikti bana ka tag jok ke bo kon ka wil jok tan ba te ci jonje no wona na ka wejje ka Nhial Deng Nhial ko chola ne te kon la new national movement and the permanent constitution can a free election de jalat ken 2026 can network de dialde de go to then na ko queen kware a gen mission dan leda gwade dan leda non se men beten te te reaction dum wan longa ne tum wan amani de ko lare chitke nya self ke mi yadi ci gariak kede ci Nhial Deng Nhial je gwandien je betrayed and monish kan lat lor dina bana nyokam kwen kono gwasame kan kono ni amejiram jidit gorno jin subscribe ka bi notification bell bi jetwan komite mi ci bray gwasame ka Changfied YouTube channel be shomala shube keje bana wakama dan le rodo gwasame kama char court case gwade dane shaluk chaje luktin ka shanka wadesh ka paiwal ronkin dang rawi jandang rawi dej Dr. Machar ngai kondial no jen charge wo ka first by president Michala do jeni wujo wo keje setika constitution Dr. Machar kan ne dang baro kan chaka gwanyi no shi na chicken kan nasir ka gwade da ne shi ke to goje me shi ngani nuri ki nuru waya me shi ka clash ke SSPDF gwanyi mo shwa major general charge nekten ka shwa civilian nuri shwa kan yokum na hakatin ba na jen do bdan yan ke Dr. Machar antama ka jom Machar lat gwas me lat different lawyer Dr. Machar you can let no la look can dera talk jani duration ki time dane shangun wo de look de to ka shang badda ka pai bangwan dera to ka shang ka badda ka pai well na mo shu kan lat ka court ka gwate nyam bara tama chi judge James Alala Deng jani shana mo che dismiss jani bun na ko nyam ba lan look tel mugoro shini ne shikato ka chalat ramdala different lawyer ne me unlawful ka unconstitutional so charge can wona na ko nyam wa en court case wa ba focus ka ta evidence ke te konte changun ne te lanin ke te cha kep ko netin content kel ke Dr. Machar wona ka fonde Dr. Machar ba te cha kep ko je mobile phone ni kana laptop kana te ko ken yala no kana ke nyin ken jen joran ka lat so she can Dr. Machar lawyer Dr. Gary Raimondo no she can la no mi she kana me ba won yam kana lare she point and Dr. Gary Machar lawyer she la do wona ajane kan kwak de ala she lati laptop me men mobile gwade dan wa captain kan court tel warga mi kana gor tel waran mi chatub ajane na me point a violation of constitution and criminal law che jomo che jelat she defend lawyer she kan court she kan jogono de kan kare jaki de kan kaloko notice she ka talk ke she ka tego ke she ka chung so na me de yana lingana me ci judge ka kore ci kan evidence ci wel dok ci kan kanok ci ka evidence dang dok ci kan kalok ka exhibit out of 16 exhibit and men ci to gwada me cha ma cha laptop cha la do kel evidence kana phone tin cha kap kan it content la ji kwar ya kap kel ne de cha kap Dr. Machar ti run dang baro wi de dok pot kang chu te run jen ngwan mam pal do te run jen do baro ngadu lam po te run jen bakel lieutenant general Gabriel Doblam te run jen di de dok Camilo gan Michael terun jen wani de barro madeng ya krek terun jen wani de diech Dominic gad go krek terun jen dang ro de barro kane de content cha yen ka chala do nena en judge jene ka kor joka na wogwalok ne ka diok atuga ka jailat shanga doka ne shanga diech ka joka la Monday Wednesday ka Friday kane ni shang ka kor joka baluk baja yot katen chikala do nena en court baje continue ka shang wal barrow ka paywel ron kin dangraw jen dangraw de diech ka Friday cha jo mo cha lat jen do badana chalat ka jete diale ko de chala different lawyer Dr. Machar kan dial cha ka rejak chana right kare ga dana chitu gwas me dara shal ke Nagro County chala do charam kel cha jen karam kel mishamu ka bot ne me to ka Western Equatoria State gwan mi chala den go ne chire nyal che bokre wichen chal ke Nagro County wa charam kel cha jen karam kel mishamu ka bot ka jom chalat gwasme ware nyal be ke ta diech krunwang wa ngwad me jegne te chiro den dul gwam me te rami mo mi parka go rami sha nak bane re wichin gwinami ka koren kon pai to ci chemu chala me ya jendo chala do nena jure nyal shobok jene sha chawre cha mu ka bot ka cha ramkel me te ke je cha jenak jene kon dialtene go funeral ka ke gwad parka jani netin kontin nakane ki bukane jani South Sudan People Defense Forces SSPDF jani gwadan shabok atil de tin civilian tin ren yal chaben wila ne pin amendment chenda chakobok ka jani schedule property ba chaga destroyed jaren yal dan shibok re wishin winmi chi civil society leader Edmond Yakani jalado ne juga SSPDF kan SPLM wode kan kode kan apel and ode wone kan karwach jomo chajalat again we are calling on both sides to avoid fighting and to respect the peace agreement show le kan bon dangaro no lo the male da ne shatan and chana ben gwa mal kanyok ka chana mal chana je nyoko milet kono nyoko ko dialati bi kan nang na kon jawme jen jawdan en gorno de nyaka yekel ka tadan chingwaru den lat ke jem re wichin bin mi ngode kume SSPDF kan SPLA yo ngode teken coach de me channeling boka mayom ci coach to pan ko mo report ba de kuno ka kor goten be bel no yeyo ko gwaldan en chelwar ke jem jen gwadan gorno de chongtirne me mi jiram jidit please ko subscribe ka turn on the notification bell gwad mi chine do lare be chomala chubiki bi atakamal bye bye